Welcome to Mac Volkswagen TV.
At Mac Volkswagen, we like to have fun.
This is Joe Hergert with Mac Volkswagen.
Here we're going to go over the parking system on a 2023 Volkswagen Atlas. When parking your car, please be sure and check your surroundings for children, pedestrians, and pets. Don't rely solely on the parking systems. Make a visual check first.
In this video, we're going to show you how Volkswagen's parking assist system works. We're going to go ahead and utilize it to park in this spot here. So here you've got a little menu for the setup of the assist systems. We got the backup camera. We're going to utilize that.
The Volkswagen Atlas has parking sensors on the front and rear bumper. You can see that there is one located right here. And there's another one here by the license plate. And another one over here. And one more down here on the other corner. And if we go around to the back, there's a parking sensor in the back corner down here by the exhaust. And another one over here by the trailer hitch and on the other side of the trailer hitch. And another one on the other side here by the exhaust.
You can push the parking assist button here and it will show you the parking assist is on there. It says looks safe to move. Got these different modes you can utilize. So we're going to go ahead and be parallel parking mode. You've got backing out to use your rear cross traffic alert.
I've switched to an earlier scene where I actually got to utilize the rear cross traffic alert in a real life situation. Check it out.
It actually warned us of that car going by. That was the rear cross traffic alert warning us of that car going by. Pretty cool little warning system there. Rear cross traffic alert backing out between two vehicles. We're kind of front end parking here. All right. So here we go. We're going to use the parking assist to park right here with these cars. So I'm going to go ahead and put it in drive. We're going to push the parking assist menu here. You can see it shows right there. We got our mode. We're parking in like that. We can see which way our wheels are pointed. It shows right here which way the wheels are pointed. We're going to be going straight in. So let's... All right, using the parking assist mode, you can see the multiple modes it has here. We're driving straight in, so we're going to leave it on the front mode here. We got another camera out there we're going to switch to so you can see how close we're getting. All right, so we're going to go up here until we get the first beep. First beep. We're going to call that second beep. We're going to call that third beep. Okay, I'm going to have to check and see where we are now. We're going to put it in park, see what the situation's like. We still actually have quite a bit of room at third beep here. All right, we're going to see how close we can get here. Beeping a lot. Let's check it out. All right. I'm going to call that 4. Okay, now we're getting a solid beep. That's about as far as I'm going to feel comfortable going to solid beep. We're going to go check out the other camera. Alright, so there's your solid beep. That's solid beep line there, just so you know. Now we're going to try the backup camera. Alright, now we're going to go backwards. So we're going to go push the button there. Look for safety mode. There we go. So in reverse mode here, we've got the predictive steering to help us out. You can see the edge of the Volkswagen, of the Jetta we were pulling up to next before. We're going to be parking right next to that one. You can see the other car that we were driving forward into. So we're going to go ahead and put it right in here. Going to utilize the predictive steering to get us straight on with the other vehicle. Alright, so we're lining it up. Okay, we're getting our first warning. We're not quite lined up, so I'm going to go ahead and adjust so that we're straighter. Alright. Going back here. I think things are a little... That first row is not exactly lined up, so we're not going to be straight on at it. Okay, we're getting our first warning here. Let's go ahead and push this button. So we're getting the first warning here. We're going to go ahead and... So we're going to go back. We are at about the first green light there. So, first green light, and then we're going to go to the next green line right there, stopping at the second green line. So let's check that out. Okay, here we are at the second green line. Let's go ahead and open our back door. Lots of room to open the back door at the second green line. We're going to go ahead and go to the red line. Okay, we're getting a solid beep before we get to the red line, just as a note. Let's take it out. Okay, here's our solid beep for us. There we go. Yeah, solid beep's about as close as I feel comfortable.